another big one, left and right. We're just going to go up here and turn around in 136. I think that locomotive is waiting. Yeah, there we go. Here comes one. I thought the one that stopped up the thing may have been waiting for another one. And here it is. West Coast Express. First one we've ever got of that. 3-engine. We may try to catch up with him and get him again. Yeah, we got one yesterday in Tunnel Hill on the Insta 360, which it was a mid-engine train, and we got down to Calhoun and we had caught up with it and got it again later in the evening. We go for a long dry spell without getting any trains, and then all of a sudden we get a bunch. With 3 engines up front, this one could be a mid-engine and a long one. We'll find out. These people that do the graffiti, these people are talented people. This other locomotive has crept down closer to the crossing. Since this one started, he may start up and they may not lift the gates. I suspect they will, though. Let people get by, but we want to catch him too. This one seems to be slowing down, or just going slow, one or the other. Upside down righty. We may have to take some select pictures out of these train videos and make a collage. I have a train art video. This is a 5-minute train. They're usually 2 to 3. If it's a mid-engine, it is going to be a long one. We're going to turn off the motor, turn off the engine. We would see the end of the train and crank back up. Yeah, he's slowing down. He's about to stop. There's the end right there. I wonder if he has to let this one get by before he can go any further. Let's get out and get a picture of that other locomotive on this track. Yeah, this guy has crept up, and he's on this side track. Yeah, this guy is coming up slowly. I bet he's got to come up a certain distance before the other one can keep going. I'm just guessing about this stuff. I don't know anything about trains. This is engine 3093. Looks like we had it figured right. get 2 trains with 1 this time. People think I'm crazy, and I am. Yeah, we may try to catch up with that other one and get another shot of that other locomotive, that West Coast or whatever it was. The train's moving now, so we need to get ready. When it gets finished, they'll lift these gates, and we don't want to hold anybody up. That guy's gone now. Well, we were right in our guess that he cut his light off and was waiting for this one, waiting for that one to come through so he could get through. And we got some good video of the mimosa tree walking down the tracks. So far, this is Saturday morning, and we left out yesterday. We got a lot of good video already this weekend. Still got almost all day today and tomorrow. Trouble getting and keeping everything charged up. And you'll be between getting it charged up and it getting hot and cutting off. Okay, let's kill it. Be a wrap. Okay, we're going to turn right and continue on through Resaca. Resaca. Whatever how our girl pronounced it. We're going to pull over and let some people get by. Well, they're back their ways. Another more yard sales. I tell you what, US 41 is flea market road. Flea market strip center. Good grief. We've probably seen at least 25 or 30 already. got a long way to go before we get to Dalton. Okay, well, we're going to go ahead and cut this one off. We need to be charging these things up. A very large stand of mimosas, elderberry, and trumpet vine. And some very nice kudzu for you.